Welcome back fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today we want to be focusing into an actual creation of an actual website using Claude. The process actually is not going to be that hard. So the first step Claude website developer are initialize, for example, the feature canvas. Before writing coding, before everything, you wanted to toggle the artifacts features into the Claude feature settings. This opens a split screen interactive preview window, as you can see, next to your chat panel. This allows you to see your website render live as Claude designs this. You can establish the visual identity. You can provide Claude with a clear design template before asking for code. You can define your choice of colors. You can prefer the typography, the core brand tone. This ensures your header, footer, and buttons look unified across the entire platform. And it's okay if you don't know absolutely anything about this. You can start with a simple prompt. For example, create an actual website. Then Claude's going to be asking me, I love to help. What kind of website are you looking to create? It's going to be asking me what kind of website do I need. I tell them a personal portfolio. Now what styles? Let's go for elegant and professional. This is the part that when Claude is going to be generating that website for. Then it says my portfolio is ready. Here's what is included. The aesthetic is blah 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 blah. There we go. Now, what is your name? Let's say I'm gonna be adding this later. What is the section that you want? I only want here about products and contact. Got it. Alright, done. Now, lastly, let's say for example, I'm going to be focusing into just replace the placeholder text with the real details. Let's go for it now. Let's create or add typography, brand, fonts, and colors. Here, for example, you can do is to, let's say for example, let the Claude do this process for you. Now, unfortunately, I needed to upgrade this because the free version only allows you to prompt up to 5 chats simultaneously to get started. But the actual process of the visual identity is working really great. You can build a model in wireframe, so don't ask a whole multi-page site at once. You can instruct to build one section at a time. Stop with the navigation bar, that you can focus into the hero section, move down to the features, the testimonials, and the contact form. Yes, the free version, it will be making this process really slow, because as you can see, we have hit my 5 hours message limits. So everything will be reset it 5 hours from now, which is from 7 p.m. so I can upgrade for higher limits later. In my case, I won't do it now because we already have the actual information directly inside here, which is my portfolio. My code HTML file is going to be appearing directly inside here, and this is, for example, the like the preview of what we currently have. So the essential blueprint prompt, you can copy and paste the prompt that I'm going to be adding if you wanted to, but basically you can tell something really easy like I wanted to build a modern responsive landing page. Before writing any code, ask me questions about my target audience, my goal, my visual preferences, everything that we needed to, let's say, know before creating an actual website. So you generate the component, you have the critical beginner pitfalls of avoiding, which is the wall of the code fallback, the broken image trap, the hard-coded multi-page loop. So how to launch your site live for free. Now that your website looks pristine inside Claude's interactive preview canvas, you click into this button that says download. When you click into the element that says download, once your website looks really great, what you wanted to do is to download your website element. Once you hit into download, it's going to be giving you an HTML file. So you can use a deployment platform, which is, for example, you can focus for tiny host. This is for drag and drop file. The testing, it's absolute for beginners, is less than 60 seconds speed up test, and basically you need to get started there. You can focus, for example, into GitHub, you can go for Netlify, the Bursal, whatever, but the quickest launch is to tiny host, I believe. So you can drag your downloaded indexed HTML file directory into the uploaded file. You give a custom name, and you don't need to do absolutely anything else. Your website will be getting started right away. So here is my actual portfolio file. I can now use this to get started. So basically there's nothing else I needed to do in order to get started. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I think that there's a few problems with my internet, but the process is now correctly done. Hopefully this actually worked for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and well, hopefully we can see you all next time.